Hey guys, in today's video, I wanted to show you this quick and dirty little trick to make sure that your kids actually use their hand sanitizer at school. Let me
to school and these lovely health situations going on. I wanted to get these for my kids. Oh, which one of my kids do I want to steal this from? Oh my goodness, look how cute they are. And then what I love is that it has this little keychain so that, you know, they can just... So I also purchased this, and it's just like a little pack of lanyards. This is why I really wanted it. Right, so you would just hook, so the lanyard has like this, okay? And this come with the lanyard set. All right, so you would just go like this and hook it here, and then they could take that and clip that to their book bag, right? That way when they're seated, they can just grab this and pull it to themselves. Dispense, put it back. Which I love that, because I just feel like if you make it easy for them to use it, they're gonna use it more. If you make it difficult, they're not. So there you go. Maybe that's just my kids, but I doubt it.
Alright guys, well that's going to be a wrap for this video. If you enjoy content like this, I do upload 2 new DIY or hack videos every single week, so consider liking, commenting, or subscribing and turning on the little bell notifications. See you in the next one.